How to change date and time in your mobile device. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head towards Settings application. Go to the search bar at the top. You simply need to search for date and time. Once you do, you will be able to find the option of date and time. Simply click on it. Now in this setting, firstly toggle off the feature of set time automatically. And then go to date, change the date as you like. Same with the timing. Once you have turned off the feature of automatically time set, you will be able to set the time in your mobile manually. So that's it. That is how easily you can change date and time in your mobile device. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.